Nau mai hara mai ki Awhi Tauira. We are the student support services here at Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi. We're here to help you with your academic journey this year. Nau mai, come and see us.
Awhi Tauira are here to help you with your academic study skills and support of your learning. This may include help with completing assignments such as essay writing or presentations. E te whānau, if you need help, just ask.
Also, our student support team offers a student study guideline. This student resource will support you on your study journey with us. Contents include academic writing conventions as well as fundamental study skills towards best practice. This is available in hard copy and e-copy on our Wānanga website.
You can find us here at the Awanuiarangi Library or contact us on awhitauira@wananga.ac.nz or on the number below. Don't be shy, come and see us here at Awhi Tauira.